Hi, how's it going? I'm fine, thanks, and you? Okay, I may not look like a Greek goddess. I'm a Javanese Moray Eel. Check out my teeth. Scary, aren't they? Look how sharp they are. Even when I bite, I don't let go. So don't mess around with me or my cousins. Although I'm the largest Moray eel in the world, I can slip through a mouse hole. I move like a snake, patiently waiting for nighttime to hunt in all tranquility. Oh, excuse me, I'm being called. Look how sweet and social I can be, but not just with anybody. A little cuddle? I like caresses. More, please. A little dance, my dear? Too cool.